Hello guys, it's a new video today. Today we're building bike jumps. Well, we're repairing them. Yeah, we're gonna start off with this one right here. You might be saying, oh yeah, isn't it just yourself here? No, I have Pippa and I have Carson. Hey. Oh, there's Pippa. We're gonna start off with repairing this one because it's really dry and it needs a fix up, needs some love.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start up. But okay guys, here's the after footage of it. So as you can see, we have the whole jump. We packed it down, put it together a bit. It looks a lot better than it did. Probably you've just seen it in the last clip. And yeah. Okay, hey guys, here's how it turned out. We packed down everything and kind of moved the dirt up so it's more moist and it will run better. And yeah, on the landing we did the same thing. Move on to the next jump. Okay guys, we're moving on to the next jump. Josh came here. I invited him earlier. And yeah, we're just about to clay it. I've not shown much of that on my YouTube channel, but it's looking a bit dry. And
more than a bit.
yeah, a lot. And we're gonna fix it up. Pippa is still here. She has not died yet. Yeah. So we're vibing right now. Pretty gnar. Guys, so Josh and me just finished the time lapse of the lip right here. I was probably not in it for most of the time because I was getting clay, the wheelbarrow, but we just clayed it. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, I think this is going to be the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, comment, like.